It's a Florida tag. It's a dark gray Mazda 6 driven by a black male.
I'm sorry, Star 14, did you advise you were 1031 or just in case you go 1031?
I'll be calling out if it goes though. Just a black male driver.
Star 11, I'm going to try and stop him. He's going to try and run.
Did you advise you are trying to stop it? I'm sorry, I have background.
Yes, there's a unit right in front of him. Here, we're 1031 southbound 19.
Oh yes, 1033, check from the Star instructions 1031.
So we're going to be going southbound on 19. Cruiser 65, it looks like he's crashing here in front of the Waffle House.
Star 11, signal 4, fire rescue.
I copy vehicle signal 4.
You better stop, you little. You better stop! I'm gonna chase you! I'm gonna chase you, you mother. Star 11, you got one. Stand by. Get out now! Nice.
You know, if they are 1012, I'll slow down.
Good job. Star 33,
Star 33, works 1012.
Roll him to his left. Let me pat him real quick.
Copy 1012, 115, 563.
So they're down. He jumped out and ran, so he's the only occupant. He's down over there. If you guys, he seemed like he was okay. He rolled that like 2 times. I'm sorry? Yeah, we chased him. No, he missed the pole. He knocked down a couple of street signs, and he rolled. He obviously you can see where he hit the embankment, and he rolled 2 or 3 times over here. So he got out and ran. He's got him detained over there.